Welcome to LNP Renewable System Integrator. Today we are going to see design and the function basics of the electric vehicle part 3. So in the last sessions we had saw part 1 and part 2. Okay, today we are going to see the part 3 of this 7 sessions. Okay, so today we are going to discuss two topics in this part 3. One is what are the different drivetrain configurations which is being used in the designing and the manufacturing of this electrical vehicle, and what are the different drive combinations. So as we told earlier, we need to be crystal clear about the things which is the main components of the electrical vehicle. First is the electrical motor. You should have a transmission with the differential, and third thing is the power electronics, high voltage lines, high voltage battery, electrical box with a control unit for the battery regulation, cooling system, braking system, high voltage air conditioning compressors, high voltage heating, battery charger, charging contact for the external charging, and the external charging sources. So these are the 13 important components of this electrical vehicle. So as we told earlier, so we are classifying this drivetrain configuration into two categories. Okay, one is the drive within wheel motors, drive with just one electric drive motor in the central drivetrain. Okay, so if we get into the concept of drive within wheel motors, we have three different configurations of this motor. One is that the wheels are connected directly to the in-wheel motors. So that is the concept of this drive within wheel motors concept. Okay, where we are using this. So if you are trying to know some design, we should know where it is getting used. So it is used in electrical scooters, okay, and the electrical bicycles, and also we can use this for the wheelchairs as well. So what are the three classification inside this drive within wheel motors? The first concept is that front axle drive. That's nothing but it will have a two wheel. Okay, in the wheel motors at the front axle we are fixing this drive. That's it. And the second concept is the rear axle drive. In this one, the wheels in the drives which will be present on the back side, that is the rear side wheels. Okay, this is how the design is being made for this vehicle. Okay, in the front axle drive, on the front side of the wheels. Okay, front side wheels, this drive is getting installed. On the rear axle drive type, on the back side, on the rear axle side, it is getting installed. And we have the four-wheel drive concept also. In this one, the drives will be installed on both the sides, on the front side as well as on the back side as well. Okay, the next concept is that drive with just one electric drive motor in the central drivetrain. So how it is getting created in the four wheel. Okay, we are going to add a drive shaft, okay, from the front axle. Say for example, if you try to classify this drive with just one electric drive in the central drivetrain, we have four varieties. One is the front axle drive, rear axle drive, and four-wheel drive, and other four-wheel drive. So how it is getting designed? Very simple. In the front axle drive, okay, the one central electric motor and two drive shafts will be there. Okay, so in the front axle drive, how it will be, in most of the cars or the four-wheelers that we are using, this concept is getting used. How it is designed? In the front axle drive type, one central motor and two drive shafts will be there. Okay, but it will be present on the front side of this wheels. Okay, whereas the rear axle drive, so rear axle, from the word itself we can easily able to identify that it will be present on the back side, that is the rear side, okay, of the wheels. So this is also the same concept of this front axle, that is one central electric motor and two drive shafts. Okay, and the third type is that four-wheel drive. So how it will be designed? Very simple. One central electric motor and five drive shafts plus transfer case. So shafts is also present, and also we are providing the extra, that is the transfer case also we are providing. See here, from this here, this is the transforming case. Okay, and the next concept is that this is also a four-wheel drive. Here, two central electric motors and four drive shafts. So in all the concepts, you are very pretty much clear. In the front axle drive, in the rear axle drive, and the four-wheel drive, only one central electric motor is used. Okay, only the number of shafts and the locations and the transfer casing is different. That is, in the front axle drive, apart from the central electric motor, we have a two drive shafts. In the rear axle drive, it will be on the rear side. Okay, the central electric motor will be on the rear side. We have a two drive shafts, whereas on the normal four-wheel drive, okay, we have the one central electric motor and five drive shafts plus transfer case. And the fourth model, we have two central electric motors and four drive shafts. So this is how it is getting designed. Okay, so thank you so much. To know more and learn more, feel free to contact us. Okay, if you want to do projects with us, please contact us. We have provided the contact details in this. We are providing design, installation, testing and commissioning support for building automation, home automation and the industrial automation projects. And we are also providing the design, installation, testing and commissioning and consultancy support for solar power plant projects. Thank you so much. In the forthcoming sessions, let us try to see the next parts. Thank you so much.